is Schwartz, and I'm super excited for our 2021 school year. For now, we are starting online, so today I want to help you learn how to log on to your Chromebooks and get into Rock Connect, where you can access things like Seesaw, Google Classroom, and anything else that you might need. Let's get started. All right, boys and girls, so what we're going to do is go ahead and open our Chromebooks, turn them on by pressing the power button, and get started signing in. All right. So as you can see, we are at our sign in to your Chromebook page. I am using one of my friends' information to be able to sign us onto the Chromebook. What we did is we entered his student ID number. That is going to be what helps you get into your Chromebook. So I put in his student ID number and I'm going to press next. Now, his password is going to be his birthday. We need to have 2 numbers for the month, 2 numbers for the day, and 4 numbers for the year. Go ahead, press next or enter, and that should help us log on to our front page. And now we are at Rock Connect. To sign into Rock Connect, you're going to click on Sign In with Google. When we sign into Google, we'll be able to see our name. So right now I see my friend's name right here on the account, and that's the account I want to choose. So I'm going to click that account, and it should bring me right to Rock Connect. And that is what is coming up. As you can tell, our Rock Connect has everything we need. We have our email, which is where we'll get lots of links and information from our teachers and other professional staff at school. We have our Google Classroom, if that's what your teacher is using. You'll have your Google Drive where you can save any documents you might need. And we also have things like Seesaw. Seesaw is going to be a lot of what our friends use to get all their information, their classwork, and any links and videos and work that our teachers provide for us. So boys and girls, I hope that helped you learn how to log into your Chromebook. It's super easy, and I know you guys can do it. If you have any questions or problems, make sure you reach out to your teachers or anybody at your school so they can help you. Have a great day.